Hi guys! If you're wondering how I'm creating a waterproof makeup look, then keep on watching. A little side note, don't ask me how, but during filming I realized that I wasn't filming, so when it comes to my base you are not seeing that. I'm starting from my brows, which isn't that big of a deal because that is starting the waterproof makeup look anyways, but I'm so sorry. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video and see you in the next one.
You know, I dip brow, wear brow gel. They normally already are kind of water resistant. I wouldn't particularly say waterproof, but I do think that they can resist quite some sweating and stuff like that. But to set it, I am going to use a waterproof product. First, I'm going to brush out my brows just to give them a little bit of a softer look because I prefer that. And after that, I'm going to use a waterproof brow gel. And I've never tried this one before because normally I use the L'Oreal one. I don't know what it's called. And yeah, I own a lot of L'Oreal products, so that's, you know, kind of my brand, my thing on the fly, on the go. Oh my god, my brows are so uneven right now, but I could not be bothered. Honestly, I could not be bothered, but whatevs. They're sisters, not twins. What I'm gonna use is this waterproof brow shaper, which is like a brow gel, but then waterproof. So let me see, it's from Bobbi Brown. It's this one. And as you can see, like, this is me opening it for the first time. It's a clear one with a quite good bristle. I love the size of this. This is like the perfect travel size. I'm gonna apply it. And this is gonna make sure that those brows stay on fleek. It kind of feels like an oily substance, which I do like. I'm just wondering how it will dry eventually. But this is a cute bristle as well. You could even like use it as a clear mascara, I would say, because it does appear a little bit glossy. You can see it. Yeah. Put that on. So that's a waterproof product. Check. Okay, so next I'll start with the eye look that I'm going to create. This was a hard one to get it like completely waterproof, but I'm going to use a waterproof base, which are like, I have a couple of them and I think I'm going to use 2 of them. These are the L'Oreal eye paints and they're like this, super cute, very portable, and I got them in 3 colors right now, like a nudish color, a gold one, and a pinkish one. I'm gonna use the nude one as a base on the eyelids, and I am gonna use a concealer kind of brush to really make sure that I work it in the right way. I'm using this Mineralisima makeup kit or brush kit, which is perfect, and I'm going to use this flat brush for it. You do need to work quite quickly with these ones because as they dry, you cannot get them off as quickly or as good. So I'm just applying it over the lid. This brush, just making sure that it's completely packed. And this is like almost my lid color, but then a little bit more evened out. There we go. And I'm gonna do the tiniest bit underneath as well to set that base. So what is left on the brush, I'm using it underneath. Waterproof base is done. Then I'm gonna use something that isn't really that waterproof. It's this eyeshadow kit, and I haven't tried it before, but I was at the Nars event and can we just appreciate this packaging. It is a Nars palette in collaboration with Erdem. And look how cute this looks. Let me just get rid of it. You get this flowery flat top and these amazing colors. There's another palette and it's like more nudish, but I'm actually going to use this yellow one. Super excited about it. So I'm going to use the yellow eyeshadow. And I only swatched it once. I haven't put it on my lid or anything like that, so that is going to be totally new experience. Using another Mineralisima brush. Don't know what it's called, doesn't say. But I'm gonna apply the yellow tone on the lid. Ooh. Turns a little bit lighter on me than I expected, but will do. Will do. We're gonna make this work. But I can see already that I'm gonna need to put a little bit more effort into this one to make it work for me and not look really weird. If you know what I mean. Complexion wise. So I'm just packing that on. Other than that, it goes on like a dream. It's very easy to put on. It's a little bit creamy as well, so I like that. But that's one. I'm gonna leave this palette alone because that was the only color that I wanted to use. So I'm gonna go on to the next palette, and this is a palette that I've been using for quite some time now. Why? Because it's just freaking amazing. That is this Zoeva palette. It's the Caramel Melange, and guys, you get the most amazing colors, and the colors that I've been using the most are these three and this orange shade. Love it. It gives such a like rusty kind of color, and I think I'm gonna use the warmer brown or this brown, like combined, kind of as my transitioning color to blend it out and to give it a little bit more depth, I would say. And these are mattes, and I'm a sucker for matte eyeshadows. I don't know why. I just think that, you know, a little goes a long way, and it stays very natural looking, and I think that that is what I like the most about it. It's just easy, nothing can go wrong with it, really. And that is what I personally really like about this palette. They do also have shimmers in it, but I've discovered that I'm really truly a sucker for like super like warm matte colors. Because the pigment kind of faded away of the yellow because I went over it, I'm gonna apply a little bit more of the yellow to the lid to give it that extra pop back again. And what I am going to do, I think, I'm just gonna experiment with it. I'm gonna use the goldish eye paint and put that on the lid, which is quite scary to me. I'm going to use the same brush that I used to put the base on, but I'm first going to apply to my palm and then pat it on. But I have to be quick though with this one, just to give it that glittery effect. And then you actually like kind of seal in your eye makeup, which is a win-win, of course. And by going over with that yellow color again, it immediately intensifies. As you can see already, bow, bow. Yes. From L'Oreal, I'm sorry, it's the Infallible eyeliner. And I'm gonna use that like underneath the eyes to give it an extra like rustiness. And this is such a pretty color. I'm gonna put it like that underneath. We have an eyeliner, and I suck at eyeliners, but this is a quite easy one. It's from Bobbi Brown. It's their long wear waterproof eyeliner, and it goes like this, super easy. You can get in and out. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna lightly go like on my top waterline, which will help me with my mascara and lash look. And it will stay on all day. Mascara, I have two options. I can go for the Bobbi Brown one, which I've never tried before. Really good one, a really good bargain is the L'Oreal X Fiber mascara, and this is the waterproof version. You have two sides. One is your base, the second one is the fibers, and this is waterproof. You guys, I've made a video with L'Oreal Holland, so it's in Dutch, but we tested out this mascara. I'll put the link down below, or here or somewhere for you to check it out, because this really lasts all day. Because I've already tested that one yet, I'm gonna give this Bobbi Brown one a try. This is the No Smudge mascara, waterproof mascara. I'm gonna put that on. This one is pretty. It keeps my lashes really separated. I only need one layer because I'm gonna apply false lashes, and I'm doubting between two of the Queen Tarzi. I think I'm gonna go for this one. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go for this one, or no, I'm gonna go for this one. This is the Queen Tarzi lashes, and this is in Jade. I'm also going to use the Queen Tarzi lash adhesive. Everybody does their false lashes differently. I'm just gonna apply it my way, and I'll be right back. So time for blush, and I'm gonna use this sleek palette. It's the Face and Form contouring palette. I've had this one for ages, and I'm gonna use this blush over here. No idea what the name is. And of course your girl needs some highlighter. So I'm using the Inglot Sparkling Bust Faces and Body in color 3, sorry, color 03. And I'm using a highlighter MUA brush. I'm gonna apply it. Yes, do you see that? For the lips, I'm in a true debate what to choose, because I think that the eyes already are quite intense over here. But I think we're gonna go for, yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna use the Infallible eyeliner as a lip product. We're just gonna try what it will do. Because honestly, I think that's actually a quite bomb color. I actually dig this, like, no joke. I actually like this a lot. Okay people, this isn't waterproof, but it is my favorite setting spray, and it is the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. Let's spray it on and let it do the magic. Ooh. Ooh.